Hi, welcome to One Task at a Time. I'm Marlena. For today's task, I'm going to be cleaning my jetted tub. All three of my boys took a bath in here last night, and all of this gunk is what was left over once all the water drained out. It's pretty gross, so we're going to go ahead and clean the tub as well as do a deep clean and clean the jets with the jetted tub cleaner. Once I got all the toys out, I'm just going to scrub all the gunk away using Method Anti-Bac Cleaner. This one is the Wildflower scent, and I'm going to use a plastic scrubby that I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so now that all of that is clean, we're going to clean the jets. I'm going to put a half of a teaspoon of this jet cleaner. It's called Awesome Hot Tub and Jetted Tub Cleaner. It is a gel consistency, so I'm going to break it up with my fingers a little bit just so it can distribute a little bit more evenly. I let the tub run for 15 minutes with the jets on and went ahead and drained out that water, and now I'm going to go ahead and clean up all of this gunk that the jet cleaner got out. It's a bunch of dead skin and biofilm, other gross things, and I'll use the Method Anti-Bac Cleaner with my scrubby that I got at the Dollar Tree for this as well. Okay, now that I have that all clean, I'm going to rinse out the jets as well. So I'll fill it back up with clean water, run the jets for about 5 minutes just to rinse them out, and then drain again. Once the tub was drained, I'm just going to wipe it down with paper towel, make sure that all of the wet spots up above the tub are wiped down. And now this tub is nice and clean, ready for use again. This task is done. Thank you guys so much for watching.